Hello everyone, I hope you all are absolutely fine. Myself Jaitali Kariya from Standard 10C studying in St. Xavier School, Puj. Everyone in this world should learn how to program a computer as it teaches us how to think, as quoted by Steve Jobs. On this note, let us proceed with our computer learning. Today, I am here with a set of MCQs from chapter number 7, Functions in Calc. So, without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. First, which of the following functions can be performed in Calc? A. Mathematical logical, B. Statistical, date and time, C. Financial, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is, all of the above. Second, a function can start with which of the following options? A. Equal to sign, B. Alphabets, C. Numbers, and D. Any of this. And the correct answer is A, that is, equal to sign. Third, which symbol is a shortcut for some function? A. Ohm, B. Pi, C. Plus, and D. Sigma. And the correct answer is D, that is, sigma. Fourth, which signs are used for giving cell address in function? A. Comma, B. Semicolon, C. Colon, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is, all of the above. Fifth, which color border is seen around a cell that is referred in the formula? A. Red, B. Black, C. Blue, and D. Yellow. And the correct answer is C, that is, blue. Sixth, which of the following refers to the correct spelling of a function along with necessary arguments? A. Syntax of the function, B. Structure of the function, C. Order of the function, and D. Overview of the function. And the correct answer is A, that is, syntax of the function. Seventh, what begins with equal to sign followed by a name and one or more arguments in its bracket? A. Form, B. Calculation, C. Function, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is, function. Eighth, how many arguments one can use with a calc function? A1, B2, C3, and D depends on function, and the correct answer is D, that is, depends on function. Ninth, what is the content written in brackets known as? A. Name of function, B. Type of function, C. Argument of function, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is, argument of function. 10th, dash is compulsory for function. A. Variable of the function, that is argument, B. Correct spelling of function, C. Both A and B, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is, both A and B. 11th, in which of the following ways we can enter a function in Calc? A. Directly typing function name in a cell, B. Function wizard or selecting from toolbar, C. Both A and B, and D depends on function. And the correct answer is C, that is, both A and B. 12th, which is the possible mechanism to enter a function in Calc cell? A. Through function wizard, B. By manually entering, C. Both A and B, and D depends on function. And the correct answer is C, that is, both A and B. 13th, what can be a function argument? A. Value, B. Text, C. Other function, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is, all of the above. 14th, dash displays the sum of the selected cells. A. Title bar, B. Menu bar, C. Status bar, and D. Formula bar. And the correct answer is C, that is, status bar. 15th, what is the function called if it is able to take decisions? A. Advanced, B. Decisive, C. Smart, and D. Conditional. And the correct answer is C, that is, smart. 16th, which of the following functions can make decisions based on a set of conditions? A. Smart, B. Conditional, C. Advanced, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is, conditional. 17th, for what function wizard is used? A. It is not possible to keep all the icons of the functions in bar. B. It is difficult to remember all the function with their syntaxes. C. Both A and B, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is, both A and B. 18th, function wizard tool is displayed on dash? A. Standard toolbar, B. Formula toolbar, C. Formatting toolbar, and D. Status bar. And the correct answer is B, that is Formula toolbar. 19th. Dash is the main advantage of function wizard. A. We don't have to select the function. B. We don't have to type the exact name of the function. C. Values are not to be selected. And D. All of this. And the correct answer is B, that is we don't have to type the exact name of the function. 20. Which tab of function wizard displays the structure of the function? A. Form, B. Structure, C. Both A and B, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is structure. 21st. Which of the following ways can be used to open function wizard? A. Insert then function, B. Control plus F2, C. Function wizard key in the formula toolbar, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, that is all of the above. 22nd. The functions included in the categories of the Calc are known as dash. A. Built integrated functions, B. Built-in functions, C. Built-in functions, and D. Built-defined functions. And the correct answer is B, that is built-in functions. 23rd. Which button is clicked to select values in function wizard dialog box? A. Select, B. Add, C. Value, and D. Number. And the correct answer is A, that is select. 24th. By clicking on which button of function wizard, the whole dialog box is converted into small rectangular toolbar? A. Select, B. Add, C. Value, and D. Number. And the correct answer is A, that is select. 25. Square root, integer, product, power, round are dash type of function. A. Mathematical, B. Statistical, C. String, and D. Logical. And the correct answer is A, that is mathematical. 26. Which functions are very useful when we work with numbers in Calc? A. Statistical functions, B. String functions, C. Math functions, and D. Logical functions. And the correct answer is C, that is math functions. 27th. What is the maximum number of arguments while using most of the functions in Calc? A. 30, B. 20, C. 10, and D. 15. And the correct answer is A, that is 30. 28th. What is the syntax of exponential function? A. Equal to exf into the bracket integer, B. Equal to exl into the bracket number, C. Equal to exp into the bracket number, and D. Equal to ef into the bracket value. The correct answer is C, that is equal to exp into the bracket number. 29th. Which function is useful when we want only positive number? A. ABS function, B. Positive function, C. Integer function, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is A, that is ABS function. 30. Which function returns the product of all the integers from 1 to the given integer? A. Integer function, B. Fact function, C. Exponent function, and D. Product function. And the correct answer is B, that is fact function. 31. Which function returns the value of natural logarithm of the given positive number? A. Log10 function, B. ln function, C. Count A function, and D. Logarithm function. And the correct answer is B, that is ln function. 32nd. Which function returns the value logarithm base 10 for the given positive number? A. Log10 number, B. ln number, C. Logarithm base 10 number, and D. base 10 number. And the correct answer is A, that is log10 number. 33rd. Which of the following mean functions are supported by Calc? A. Geomean, B. Hermean, C. Both A and B, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is both A and B. 34th. Which function is used to find the total number of cells which have some value in it? A. Value, B. Count A, C. Cell, and D. Total. And the correct answer is B, that is count A. 35. Which of the following functions returns the number raised to the given power? A. Square function, B. Exponent function, C. Power function, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is power function. 36. We can calculate square root of a positive number using which of the following function? A square root function, B root function, C both A and B, and D none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is square root function. 37. Which of the following functions round the given number to specified places? A round function, B truncate function, C integer function, and D decimal function, and the correct answer is A, that is round function. 38. What is the general form of round function? A round into the bracket number, B round into the bracket number places, C round into the bracket places, and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is round into the bracket number places. 39. Number of digits are to be cut down from the number from its fraction part by which function? Or which of the following functions simply cuts off the specified part from the given number? A round, B truncate, C integer, and D cut, and the correct answer is B, that is truncate. 40. How many arguments does the truncate function take? A1, B2, C3, and D4, and the correct answer is B, that is 2. 41. Which of the following function is used to find arithmetic mean, that is average? A average, B mean, C arithmetic, and D none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is average. 42nd. The dash functions help in collection, analysis, explanation, and presentation of data. A logical, B statistical, C math, and D string, and the correct answer is A, that is logical. 43rd. What is mode? A, the most common value, B, average of numbers, C, division value, and D, counted value, and the correct answer is A, that is the most common value. 44th. What is the meaning of median function? A, arrange the values and get the middle value, B, maximum value, C, counted value, and D, common value, and the correct answer is A, that is arrange the values and get the middle value. 45. Which of the following is not a logical function? A or, B and, C not, and D proper, and the correct answer is D, that is proper. 46. Which value is obtained of n non-negative integers by multiplying them all together and taking the nth root? A, her mean, B, geometric mean, C, mean, and D, mode, and the correct answer is B, that is geometric mean. 47. Which function returns the maximum number within the arguments? A large, B maximum, C minimum, and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is maximum. 48. Which function returns the minimum number within the arguments? A large, B maximum, C minimum, and D none of this, and the correct answer is C, that is minimum. 49. What is the use of large function? A, to find the kth largest numeric value in the given data range, B, to find maximum numeric value, C, to find maximum number of values, and D, all of this, and the correct answer is A, that is to find the kth largest numeric value in given data range. 50. What is the general form of small function? A, small into the bracket x and k, where x is the range of cells and k is the position. B, small into the bracket number, C, small into the bracket position, and D, small into the bracket range of values, number, and position, and the correct answer is A, that is small into the bracket x and k. 51. The numbers specified are considered in which order while using large function? A, descending, B, ascending, C, as given in function, and D, original order, and the correct answer is A, that is descending. 52. Which value is used to specify ascending order of sorting while using rank function? A, 1, B, 0, C, 2, and D, none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is 1. 53rd. What does 0 indicate in the arguments of rank function? A, ascending order of sorting, B, descending order of sorting, C, first value, and D, no sorting, and the correct answer is B, that is descending order of sorting. 54th. What is the general form of rank function? A, rank into the bracket number set order. B, rank into the bracket range of cells. C, rank into the bracket position. And D, rank into the bracket number. And the correct answer is A, that is rank into the bracket number set order. 55. What is the NPER function in Calc used for? A, to calculate the amount of installment to be paid. B, to calculate the period to repay the loan. C, to calculate monthly installment. And D, none of this. And the correct answer is B, that is to calculate the period to repay the loan. 56. What is the general form of NPER function? A, NPER into the bracket interest installment loan. B, NPER into the bracket interest installment loan future time. C, NPER into the bracket interest installment future. And D, NPER into the bracket interest installment future and time. And the correct answer is B, that is NPER into the bracket interest installment loan future time. 57. Which argument of NPER function to enter the amount of money that remains after the last payment is made? A, future. B, amount. C, type. And D, loan. And the correct answer is A, that is future. 58. What does type argument in NPER function indicate? A, type of loan. B, monthly or yearly installment. C, if payments are made at the beginning of each accounting period or not. And D, none of this. And the correct answer is C, that is if payments are made at beginning of each accounting period or not. 59. Which value is used in type argument of NPER function when payments are made at the beginning of each accounting period? A, 1, B, 0, C, 2 and D, 4. And the correct answer is A, that is 1. 60. Which of the following are optional arguments of NPER function? A, future. B, type. C, both A and B. And D, loan. And the correct answer is C, that is both A and B. 61. Which of the following is the most prominent of all conditional functions used in Calc? A, if. B, true. C, false. And D, all of this. And the correct answer is A, that is if. 62. Which of the following arguments are taken by if function in Calc? A, true. B, false. C, test. And D, all of this. And the correct answer is D, that is all of this. 63. Which argument indicates the condition to be tested? A, condition. B, test. C, true. And D, none of this. And the correct answer is B, that is test. 64th. One if condition used within another if condition is known as what? A, master if. B, secondary if. C, nested if. And D, loop if. And the correct answer is C, that is nested if. 65. If there is a mistake in the function, which colored dots are displayed in function wizard? A, green. B, blue. C, purple. And D, red. And the correct answer is B, that is red. 66. Which of the following shows the relational operation? A, and or not. B, equal to, less than or greater than. C, is, like, between. And D, all of this. And the correct answer is B, that is equal to, less than, greater than. 67. What does relational operation equal to suggest? A, one operand is smaller than the second operand. B, one operand is bigger than the second operand. C, both operands are different. And D, both operands are same. And the correct answer is D, that is both operands are same. 68. What does relational operation greater than or equal to suggest? A, one operand is bigger than the second operand or both operands are same. B, one operand is smaller than the second operand or both operands are same. C, both operands are different. And D, both operands are same. And the correct answer is A, that is one operand is bigger than the second operand or both operands are same. 69. What does relational operation suggest? A, one operand is smaller than the second operand. B, one operand is bigger than the second operand. C, both operands are different. And D, both operands are same. And the correct answer is C, that is both operands are different. 70. What does relational operation less than or equal to suggest? A. One operand is bigger than the second operand or both operands are same. B. One operand is smaller than the second operand or both operands are same. C. Both operands are different. And D. Both operands are same. And the correct answer is B, that is one operand is smaller than the second operand or both operands are same. 71. Which of the following function is used to remove extra spaces from strings? A. Count A, B. Value, C. Trim, and D. No space. And the correct answer is C, that is trim. 72. Which of the following is a case-sensitive function? A. Exact, B. Trim, C. And D. Concatenate. And the correct answer is A, that is exact. 73rd. Which of the following is the logical function? A. True and false, B. And or not, C. All of this, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is C, that is all of this. 74th. What is the syntax of true function? A. Equal to true brackets, B. Equal to 2 into the bracket test, C. Equal to into the bracket true false, and D. Equal to true. And the correct answer is A, that is equal to true brackets. 75. What is the syntax of false function? A. Equal to false brackets, B. Equal to false into the bracket test, C. Equal to false into the bracket true and test, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is A, that is equal to false brackets. 76. Which function reverses the logical value? A. And, B. Or, C. Not, and D. If. And the correct answer is C, that is not. 77. Which function can be used to compare the result? A. And, B. Or, C. If, and D. Any of this. And the correct answer is D, that is any of this. 78. What is the syntax of AND function? A. Equals to AND brackets, B. Equals to AND into the bracket condition 1, condition 2, and so on up to condition 30. C. Equal to AND into the bracket test, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is equal to AND into the bracket condition 1, condition 2, and so on up to condition 30. 79. Which function results true if all the arguments result in true? A. And, B. Or, C. Exact, and D. Any of this. And the correct answer is A, that is AND. 80th. The result displayed as true and false are known as which value? A. Boolean, B. Binary, C. Biometric, and D. Master. And the correct answer is A, that is Boolean. 81. Which function results true if at least one argument is true? A. And, B. Or, C. Not, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is OR. 82. Which function is used to join two strings of text? A. Join, B. Concatenate, C. Add, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is concatenate. 83. Which sign can be used instead of writing concatenate? A. Plus, B. Exclamatory sign, C. At the rate, and D. ampersand. And the correct answer is D, that is ampersand. 84th. Concatenate can join up to how many strings? A. 30, B. 60, C. 20, and D. 90. And the correct answer is A, that is 30. 85. Sometimes operations such as dash may also be used with functions and formulas. A. Greater than, B. Less than, C. Brackets, and D. Plus. And the correct answer is D, that is plus. 86. Dash function turns all characters to lowercase while dash function turns all characters to uppercase. A. Small and big, B. Lower and upper, C. Both A and B, and D. None of this. And the correct answer is B, that is lower and upper. 87. Which of the following functions turns first character of all letters into uppercase and remaining alphabets into lowercase letters? A. Proper, B. Lower, C. Upper, and D. Upper and lower. And the correct answer is A, that is proper. 88. Which of the following string functions are used for formatting the text? A upper, B lower, C proper and D all of this, and the correct answer is D, that is all of this. 89. Which function converts the number provided into its equivalent Roman number? A Roman, B Arabic, C convert and D equal, and the correct answer is A, that is Roman. 90. What is the syntax of Roman function? A Roman number, B Roman number mode, C Roman mode and D Roman brackets, and the correct answer is B. 91. Roman numerals can represent numbers in which range? A 0 to 999, B 0 to 3999, C 0 to 1000 and D 0 to 10, and the correct answer is B, that is 0 to 3999. 92. The mode operator of Roman function can take which of the following values? A 0, B 1 or 2, C 3 and D any of this, and the correct answer is D, that is any of this. 93. Which of the following functions is the reverse of Roman function? A Arabic, B numerical, C integer and D none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is Arabic. 94. If two strings are same, then XZ shows which value as a result? A 0, B 1, C 0 or 1 and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is 1. 95. Which function returns the first character or specifies number of characters starting from left? A left, B start, C right and D first, and the correct answer is A, that is left. 96. What is the general form of left function? A equal to left into the bracket text, B equal to left brackets, C equal to left into the bracket n, and D equal to left into the bracket text n, and the correct answer is D, that is equal to left into the bracket text n. 97. What does the left function return if the number of character is not specified? A first character starting from left, B whole text, C error and D first half part of the string, and the correct answer is A, that is first character from left. 98. Which function is used to find the last n characters from the end of the string? A last, B right, C left and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is right. 99. What is the general form of mid function? A equal to mid into the bracket text start n, B equal to mid into the bracket tag, C equal to mid into the bracket n and D equal to mid into the bracket start, and the correct answer is A, that is equal to mid into the bracket text start n. 100. Which function returns the length of the given string including the white space? A len, B length, C count and D count A, and the correct answer is A, that is len. 101. Which of the following function returns values for today's date stored in the computer? A date, B today, C both A and B and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is today. 102. Which of the following functions is a function without arguments? A today, B date, C concatenate and D month, and the correct answer is A, that is today. 103. Which function returns the valid date for the given numbers for year, month and day? A day, B date, C valid and D none of this, and the correct answer is B, that is date. 104. What is the syntax of day function? A equal to day brackets, B equal to day into the bracket date, C equal to day into the bracket date month year and D equal to day into the bracket today, and the correct answer is B, that is equal to day into the bracket date. 105. Day function is used for dash. A getting date only, B getting month only, C getting year only and D all of this, and the correct answer is A, that is getting date only. 106. Which function is used to convert a valid date given into a day of the week? A weekday, B today, C date and D day, and the correct answer is A, that is weekday. 107. What is the syntax of weekday function? A equal to weekday brackets, B equal to weekday into the bracket date, C equal to weekday into the bracket date n, and D equal to weekday into the bracket date month year. And the correct answer is C, that is equal to weekday into the bracket date n. 108. For weekday date n, if we take n equals to 2, then days are taken as dash. A for Monday 0, Tuesday 1 and so on up to Sunday 6. B for Monday 1, Tuesday 2 and so on up to Sunday 7. C for Sunday 1, Monday 2 and so on up to Sunday 7. And D, any of this, and the correct answer is B. 109. In weekday date n, if we take n equals to 1, then days are taken as dash. A for Sunday 0, Monday 1 and so on up to Saturday 6. B Sunday 1, Monday 2 and so on up to Saturday 6. C for Monday 1, Tuesday 2 and so on up to Sunday 6. And D, none of this, and the correct answer is A. 110. Which function is used to convert a valid date given into a number of the month? A weekday, B month, C date, and D year, and the correct answer is B, that is month. 111. What is the syntax of year function? A equals to year into the bracket date, B equals to year into the bracket t, C equal to year into the bracket month, and D, none of this. And the correct answer is B, that is equal to year into the bracket t. 112. Which function is used to convert a valid date given into a year number? A weekday, B year, C month, and D date, and the correct answer is B, that is year. 113. Which function can be used to find whether the given year is a leap year or not? A date, B timestamp, C years, and D year difference, and the correct answer is C, that is years. 114. Which of the following function is used to calculate the number of days between two dates? A day, B days, C difference, and D date, and the correct answer is B, that is days. 115. Dash function is used to find the number of weeks, and dash function is used to find number of years between two dates. A weeks and years, B date and days, C days and month, and D, none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is weeks and years. 106. Which of the following week types can be indicated while using weeks function? A weekly intervals, B calendar years, C both A and B, and D, none of this, and the correct answer is C, that is both A and B. 107. Which value is used to indicate weekly intervals while using weeks function? A 0, B 1, C 2, and D, none of this, and the correct answer is A, that is 0. 118. Which function returns current date stored in the computer with time? A now, B date, C current, and D time, and the correct answer is A, that is now. 119. Which software has the functions like Calc? A Microsoft Word, B Microsoft PowerPoint, C Microsoft Excel, and D Microsoft Access, and the correct answer is C, that is Microsoft Excel. 120. Which of the following applications are becoming popular because of platform independency and mobility? A. OpenOffice Calc, B. Microsoft Excel, C. Google Spreadsheet, and D, none of this, and the correct answer is C, that is Google Spreadsheet. Now today's task for you all. Description box contains link for online test. Solve it and post your marks in the comment section of this video. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching.